Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at a camping mattress for your Tesla. This will work on the Model S, Model 3, Model X, and the Model Y. So let's take a look. So it came in a simple brown box, and then inside you get the inflatable mattress, and then it has these two inflatable pillows. You get a carrying bag, and then the air inflator. So I'm going to go ahead and roll it out, and then we'll go from there. All right, so I have the mattress rolled out here, and you can see the coverage. I haven't inflated it yet. If you pull the top part here, you have the holes for the inflation and also to deflate it. You have it on each side. So apparently you can inflate one side at a time if you only want one half, or you can inflate the whole thing. So I'm going to go ahead and inflate it. It comes with this inflator, and you can just plug it in on the side over here. You have the power and proceed inflating it. So on the left side you have two holes here. So this front hole will inflate the headrest part, and then the bottom one will inflate the left side. Now I'm going to go ahead and inflate the head portion here. I have my own inflator here just to make things a little bit faster. So I'm going to put the attachment that they provided, insert it in the hole, and attach the compressor here. Okay, so that's the head portion here, and then I'll go ahead and inflate the left side now. All right, so I've put the attachment, the air attachment, in the bottom hole here, so this should inflate this left side now. Here we go. So now you can see one side is inflated. If you want, you can just fold this, tuck it in underneath, and then have the seat up and just use one side. So this is how it looks with just half of it inflated. I'm going to go ahead and proceed with doing the other side now. All right, I have it inflated now, so you can see it's pretty tight fit, nice snug fit all the way by the doors and towards the seats, and then towards the trunk area. You do have a little bit of space here. All right, now I'll go ahead and inflate these two pillows. So again, it does come with the air inflator, but I have this larger one just to save time. I use this to inflate the mattress and the pillows. So there you go. You have the mattress and the pillows. So taking a look at the mattress, you know, it's no different than a regular air mattress. It's pretty comfortable. A lot of room here. You have the pillow here. And you know, you can easily stretch out. I'm about 5'10", so a lot of space. And then again, the sides here, there's good coverage by the door, and as well as the back of the front seats here. It doesn't sink. The mattress is nice and flush, and it's very comfortable. Okay, so that will do it. If you're interested in the Basenor camping mattress, I put the link in the description box below, and you can go check it out. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.